here. We got some visitors today. Oh, ain't that nice? Sure is nice. Hello there. How you children doing today? Good, good. My. It's a nice group of y'all folks visiting me here. Sure enough is. Brother Eli told me y'all came visiting from Washington State, Seattle, Washington area. Mercy, that's a long ways away from here. Well, that sure enough is special. Y'all children come out here to visit me. Sure enough nice. How they come to hear about the Underground Railroad? Well, you know what? You came to the right place. Because I sure enough know something about that. Sure, my train never jumped the track. Never did, no. Folks always ask me, now that means there ain't nobody that ever traveled to freedom with me, Harriet Tubman, ever got caught and sent back to that slavery. Nobody. I have to let them know, baby, the Underground Railroad wasn't no real train on no track. Folks, the Underground Railroad was all about people. People helping other people because they know that slavery was wrong and they want to do all they could to help folks get to their freedom. That's right. I got so many stories about that Underground Railroad, but don't you know I was about 6 years old when they first sent me off to work for somebody? For some mean folks. Sure, I got scars today from when I was whipped as a child. And then when I was about 15 years old, something happened that changed my life forever. But this day, Jim was singing that Steal Away song. Steal away to Jesus. I could hear him singing that song right now, just like he was right here. The door was wide open, and I could see that the overseer, he had Jim cornered, and he was trying to get some other men in there to grab and to hold him so he could beat him for trying to run away. And then I was standing in the door, and Jim come running past me out the door, and I got out the way because y'all know I wasn't going to try to stop that man from running away. And then the overseer, he picked up a 2-pound weight and throwed it at Jim like to knock my head off. Junior, you know they don't call a doctor for no little slave girl. I know I've been dead right there if the Lord ain't been with me. They took me to my mama's cabin, and there I laid half dead on some rags for weeks. All the time, everybody praying that the Lord made me well again. Well, he heard our prayers, and I got better, sure enough did. But I ain't been the same since then. I have my sleeping spells. I fall down asleep, and sometimes folks can wake me up, and sometimes they couldn't. But that's when I start having my escape dreams, too. And I'll be awake for that. I believe I could see myself free. And I met people I met later on when I was free in my dreams. I just believed it. See, the Lord had let me know I have the right to my freedom. And I said, I'm going to have liberty or death. So when I got to be 29 years old, I left. I had to leave. They was going to sell me down south of that chain gang. And I said, no, I ain't going. So I had to leave my family and head on up by myself. Ooh, children, it was so glorious. Being free was just so glorious. But I was all alone. I couldn't enjoy being free with my folks and all my family was still in that slavery. So I had to go back. I had to go back for them.